Hello all, in this video we are going to discuss the PDF builder feature inside FormNX. With this PDF builder you can create customized PDF for your form submissions. Let us say you have created a form for reservation or maybe created a form for agreement or any other purpose. Once the applicant submits the form, you can directly generate a customized PDF. That is, you can generate a ticket for your reservation form, you can generate an agreement PDF for your agreement form, or any kind of PDF with this submissions data pre-filled inside the PDF. And you can also share the PDF email. You can receive the PDF automatically to your inbox, and also you can download the PDF. Lot of features are present inside the PDF builder, so let us get started. So the very first step to create a PDF is you must have a form for the PDF. So the form which the applicant will fill to get the PDF. So you can create any forms, you can use our predefined templates, you can create form from scratch, or you can create any kind of form easily. So once the form has been created, simply go to the My PDF section here. Inside My PDF, click on this new PDF. Here you will be finding three different options, that is start from scratch, use a template, or use AI to create the PDF. So let us say we want to start from scratch. I will be clicking on start from scratch. I will give a name to this PDF. Let us say registration PDF. So once someone submits the swimming registration form, they will get a registration PDF which will have all their details in it. Click on create PDF. We will be inside the PDF builder. The left hand side contains the list of all the basic elements which we can use inside our PDF. Then we have list of all different form fields. So inside our swimming registration form, we have all these form fields. All these fields you can use inside your PDF. Very first thing which we want to do is to add a header to the PDF. So in most of the case, the header will have a logo and the details of the business. So I will select the logo. I will be using this as a logo here, resizing this one. I will enter some details. You can enter your business details here. You can also set the font size. You can change everything from here, change the color. Once you have filled every details in your header, add the fields which you want to display in the PDF. Let us say we want to display their name, address line 1, city, state, zip, country, phone, email, website, date, time, switch, image upload, signature, and their photo. So we are using all the fields which is present inside the form. We want to rearrange it to have the photo in the very top. Simply drag and drop the field here and rearrange it as we are doing it inside the form builder. So once all these fields are arranged, simply click on the design tab. Inside the design tab, you can select any of the color schemas. You can set background color, gradient, image, transparent, any of this from here, and click on the settings tab. Inside the settings tab, you can change the name of the PDF, add some description, select the size of your PDF, A4, A3, A2, A1. You can also use custom sizes in inches. If you want to keep it as A4 only, then select the orientation, portrait or landscape. I will keep it as portrait for now. What will be the file name of this PDF? Let us say registration.pdf is the name of my file. Then I do something as the watermark of this PDF. I will keep this as blank for now and I will publish the PDF here. Once this PDF is published, I can preview the PDF. So this is how we created a very simple PDF for our form. If you want to add some extra text here or any kind of text here, then we can use all these basic elements. You want to add some extra images here, so simply click on this image tab, add some heading or paragraph. Let us say I want to add a heading here. I will simply drag and drop this heading element, swimming registration details. My heading text is swimming registration details. I will remove the subheading text. So this is how I can add a heading element. If you want to add some more extra information here, I want to add some HTML text here. I will simply drag and drop this HTML field. Hello. Let us say I want to display the name of this applicant here. So what I can do is simply copy this field tags. You will see all the field tags here. Simply click on this field tag and paste it here. Hello is the name of the applicant. Find your details of registration below. So here we have provided the registration details. Now we can add some more fields here if you want to add some more field text. So this field text is mostly useful to use inside this HTML text. You can also use this field text inside your headings and inside the HTML text. I want to also give them a unique registration number. Then in that case, I have to enable the registration number inside my form. Once the submission reference number is defined, I can use this reference number here. Your reference number is, your registration reference number is this one. Also, I can make any of this text as bold, italic, or I can change the color from here. So this is how you can design a PDF. I will save this one, publish the PDF. Now I will go to the home from here and let us try to fill the form and see how the PDF looks like. I will open this, fill all the details, and I will be submitting the form. Once the form is submitted, I will refresh the submissions list, and here I have one response today. I will go to the list of all submissions from here. Here inside the list of submissions, I have an option to download the PDF, also to regenerate the PDF. I want to download it, I will simply click on this download PDF and this PDF will be getting downloaded. So this is how my PDF looks like. Swimming registration details, hello test, please find the details of this is your registration number is this. So here I have all the details. Let us say I want to change some of the details from my PDF. I will go to my PDF and redesign this PDF. Click on this edit PDF and here we have the name and the value is at the bottom of it. I want to keep the value side by side. Simply click on this side by side and apply to all elements. With this, all the values will be displayed side by side of these elements. This one is here, this one also here. Image upload, I will be also keeping it as top align. So this is how I have redesigned my PDF. If I want to redesign something else, this is how my PDF looks like. I want to increase this font size. Click on this details here once again and increase the font size from here. Publish the PDF once again. Now I will go to the list of submissions once again, my form responses. Here inside my responses, I will be seeing the previous response which I have submitted. Here I am seeing the previous response. If I click on this download PDF, it will download a cached version of this previous PDF. That is the PDF which we generated previously. So I have changed my design. So what I will do is I will simply click on this regenerate PDF. With this, the PDF will be getting regenerated once again based on our new design and it will be getting downloaded. You can see this is how my PDF looks like. Now I want to attach this PDF inside the submissions, or whenever someone submits, they will be getting an email which will have this PDF inside it. So what I have to do is edit my form. Go to my forms here, click on the edit form. And inside the edit form, go to the settings tab, mail setting, enable this email to me. Currently I have this email to me disabled. Enable this email to me, fill all this information to reply to CC, subject all this information and enable attach PDF. So if you have created multiple PDFs, then you will be seeing options to enable each of these PDF. That is, you can enable registration PDF, certificate PDF, XYZ PDF, or whatever PDF you have created for this particular form, that is swimming registration form. All these will be displayed here and you can enable each of these options separately. Then again we have similar options inside email to responder. You can enable each of these PDF which will be getting sent to the responder. This is how when someone submits the form, they will be getting an email which will have be attached to the email. So that's all we have inside PDF Builder and we are currently adding more and more features. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment below or contact our support to get more details. Thank you.